All right, guys, we're doing Elton John today, Sartorial Eloquence, as played live on the Tom Snyder Show many years ago. You can find it on YouTube. Let's take a listen to it. All right. Hello, everyone. I'm Sean Cheek, and welcome to my easy piano lessons. We're about to do the part 1 lesson here. All of the lessons for this are on my website, along with thousands and thousands of other lessons I've done over the past 12 years. Webpianoteacher.com works on your phones, your tablets, your laptops, your desktop computers, fast streaming for everyone. There really is a lifetime of music lessons on there. Many of you have gotten the lifetime membership and are enjoying it, so it's really good. So here we go. We'll get started here with this part 1 lesson. Man, so many Elton John lessons on the site now. Here's one more. F, A flat, D flat, F on the right. I'll use 1, 2, 4, 5. Left hand on a D flat. Then the same chord. Just go bum, bum, bum. And then we'll go to an A flat chord. E flat, A flat, C, E flat, left hand on a C octave. So I'm going to play the same notes I'm already holding down right here. C, E flat, A flat, C, and then the chord E flat, A flat, C. So, bum, 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 da, 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 da. Now, go to the next measure there, and I have an E flat minor 7, E flat, G flat, B flat, D flat, left hand on an E flat octave. And then I have the same chord. I'm just going to roll it up. Bop, 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 da, 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 da. Now, same chord, like 6 times. It's a group of 4 first, da 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 da, and then a group of 2. Kind of separate that in your mind to help you. Ba 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 ba. 1 2 3 4 1 2. Left hand is on an A flat, and actually I think Elton plays that A flat octave every time. I just didn't write it every time. And then you start again because it's 2 times because of the 2 and the bracket. So. And there we go. Then lesson 2 will start at the verse there at the double bar. We'll zoom out so you can see the whole board, and there's actually another page to this. Plenty of music to learn for it. And guys, part 1 lesson. Talk to you later.